Hello and how are you? Let's see how to make a novel that looks good. So there are many websites like YouTube. You have this cool novel, and when you scroll down, the novel sticks at the top. I'm talking about that not read because they done another story. So how to do that? So for the order to make this project, I created this novel. I just made a P called P. Now you can put anything in just inside this now, and I have like the 1 billion pixels of height, long. So how to start? So I have this now. If you have multiple nouns, I suggest adding an ID, but because this is a good, simple project, I won't be using any ID. So we will select it easily. You can make another file for CSS. It's all up to you. Then inside this, add something called position page. And then make the top to be 0 and the left to be 0, and that's it. But there is one more thing you will have to change. You will have to make a body bracket and just add here position relative. Deleted, we will replace. I will scroll down and it sticks at the top for me, and that's all to it. And if you like to explore the like positional fixed static, which the static is this. So static doesn't do anything, it's just an element. There's something called sticky that looks like sticky, so I will replace till doing the same, but like if you put like a parallel on top, it will stick both. So this is it. So I suggest you start using it, and the best one is fixed. The others have other purposes. Yes, it can do the job, but they can block your website if you are new and don't know what you are playing with. And this is how you can do the Nava. Hope you learned something new. If you learned something new, please hit the like button and subscribe for keeping this channel alive and for more follow-ups and for more videos. Thank you very much.